Hello friends, welcome once again to OBAAPA'S channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make authentic local Ghanaian ampesi. Yeah, with a very traditional stew that I believe you want to try in your kitchen right now. Yeah, so stay with me, come to the kitchen and let's start cooking. So first, I am going to use eggplant. Normally they use the white garden eggs. Yeah, but as for this moment, I don't have it right now, so I'm just going to use my eggplant. I got this one from Indian store and I think I really love it as well. It's not really bitter, like normally how sometimes the garden eggs taste really bitter. This one is not like that at all. It is very, very sweet. So I'm going to clean all my eggplant and then I'm using 2 habaneros and 1 tomato. So now I have my pot on the stove. We are going to cook the eggplant, habanero and 1 tomatoes. So after that, we're gonna cover it and then leave it on to boil. And remember, we are using a low medium heat to cook this food. Let me see very nice, Papa. This is local. Yeah, so right here, as you can see, I have my cassava, that is yucca, and ripe plantain. Yeah, I remember childhood memory, I used to enjoy my authentic stew with ripe plantain. Yeah, try this out and see, you will love it. And this one, we're not gonna fry it, we're just gonna boil it. So yeah, that is the difference. And after we clean that, we just gonna cut our cassava into pieces after we peel the skin off, and then we are going to wash it. So I have my clean water ready and I am washing in my cassava. So after the cassava is nicely washed, I am going to place it in my pot and we're going to cook it. So I'm going to add the ripe plantain on the side. In Ghana, if you have yam, I know mostly everybody have yam, you can use yam also. And I'm adding in 2 eggs and I'm adding my salt for taste. Yeah, so cover it and then leave it on to cook. So back to our stew, I have in 3 garlic and half medium onion. And guys, before we blend our stew, let me check on the eggplant. I think it's almost done. I'm feeling it, it's so soft. So this is the perfect to take it out from the stove. So now we are blending in our onion and garlic. Yeah, it is time to add in our eggplant and the tomato and habanero. As you can tell, it is nicely cooked, it is very soft and it is perfect, and you can blend it. If you don't have asanka, the apotoria that I'm using right now, you can use your blender to do it as well. If you have like a food processor, that one can go in as well. So with this, instead of adding momone, I don't have it right now, so I am adding in dried herrings and 1 teaspoon of peanut butter, or in katia yam. And I'm gonna add in my salt to taste, and we're going to blend everything together. I'm still weird. I look at the papa to say, would you na say, what do you be gusu and I will jam where you are? Okay, so papa, I do this, how can you? A nice ankasa. So back to my oil, I cut in half onion and I fried it with my oil, and that is what I'm going to use to garnish it on top with my stew. So as you can tell, just this is so peaceful and Ankasa. I'm really enjoying it. Like, I'm gonna eat it myself, but at the same time I'm so enjoying it. So this is how I make my authentic garden egg stew. And you can just add it anything that you want. If you have salted tilapia, it is great, you can add it, but I don't have that at the moment, so I'm adding in my avocado and egg, and I have in fried red snapper. I didn't have tilapia, so I'm adding in my fried red snapper and it tastes just delicious. So thank you so much for watching, and my MPC is nicely ready. Your family really is gonna enjoy it, and your kids will try it. This is new thing for your kids, and I believe they will try it wherever they are. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy cooking with me in the kitchen today. This is how I make my authentic abumu efie special. So I hope you are going to try this recipe. Until I see you once again. Bye bye.